Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a little info about the Christmas tree event in Grey Garden. Basically, if you water it and leave it, it is able to grow on its own without you having to water it. So right now it's at 52, and when I left it, it was I think at 50. 51, but it grew to 52, like almost 53 kilograms. So you don't have to water it all the time for it to grow, but you do have to water it before you do like want to leave the game, for instance, to do something else. It will grow on its own. It's just not going to be a lot of progress, obviously. So here I'm just going to water it so you don't again have to water it all the time because it is able to grow on its own if you leave the game. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Now my tree's at 53, almost 61, which is my target, is to grow it as big as it can be. Like the kind of last rewards, I know there's more rewards after it hits the 61 kilograms mark, but I honestly just think that's like good enough already. Especially, I think it could be over tomorrow, so just have a lot of the wonder watering cans in your inventory. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.